It sounds like a scene straight out of the new Mission Impossible movie, except this happened in real life inside a Milwaukee courthouse. Newly released surveillance video appears to show a sitting judge, Milwaukee County Circuit Judge Hannah Dugan, not only confronting federal immigration agents, but helping an undocumented immigrant slip out of the courthouse through a private exit. It all unfolded April 18th, as federal agents with ICE and other agencies waited to arrest 33-year-old Eduardo Flores Ruiz, who was appearing before Judge Dugan on domestic abuse and battery charges. According to a federal affidavit, Dugan left the bench mid-hearing after learning ICE was waiting in the hallway with an immigration arrest warrant. Courthouse cameras show her, along with another judge, approaching the agents in the hallway and confronting them. Witnesses say she was angry and demanded to know why they were there. She allegedly told the agents they needed a judicial warrant and directed them to the chief judge's office. But what happened next is what federal prosecutors are calling obstruction of justice. The video then shows Dugan returning to her courtroom, where, according to the complaint, Judge Dugan commanded Flores Ruiz and his attorney to leave through a back door of the courtroom. The FBI affidavit notes that this door is normally restricted to deputies, jurors, court staff, or in-custody defendants under escort. Courthouse surveillance follows Flores Ruiz through a hallway where a plainclothes ICE agent follows them. The camera then shows Flores Ruiz and his attorney exiting the courthouse onto the street. As they emerge, Flores Ruiz is seen suddenly taking off, sprinting down the sidewalk. The ICE agent chases and tackles him about a block away, where an arrest is made. Federal agents say they were in a public hallway, ready to execute a valid immigration warrant, and that Judge Dugan directly interfered. On May 13th, a federal grand jury indicted Judge Dugan on charges of obstruction of justice and concealing an individual to prevent arrest. She was taken into custody the following week and pleaded not guilty on May 15th. Her defense team has filed a motion to dismiss, claiming her actions are protected by judicial immunity. The case has reignited tensions between local jurisdictions and federal authorities over cooperation with immigration enforcement. While local officials have largely remained silent, the White House has seized on the incident as a high-profile example of interference with federal immigration law.
Let's be clear about what this judge did. She obstructed federal law enforcement who were looking for an illegal alien in her courthouse. She showed that illegal alien the door to evade law enforcement officials. That is a clear-cut case of obstruction.
If convicted, Judge Dugan could face up to 6 years in federal prison. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Lauren Keenan. If you want more on this story, download the Straight Arrow News app or visit SAN.com.